Hey students, let's solve one previous question of data structure. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 2 question number 25. Suppose the values 10, minus 4, 15, 13, 25, 16, 19 are inserted in that order into an initial empty binary search tree. Let T be the resulting binary search tree. The number of edges in the path from the node containing 19 to the root node of T is dash. For that, we need to construct the binary search tree starting with first node, that is 10. Next minus 4 is less than 10, so it will be 10 left child. Next 15 is greater than 10, so it will be its right child. Next 30 is greater than 15, so 30 will be right child of 15. Next 20 is greater than 15 and less than 30, so 20 will be left child of 30. Next 5 is greater than minus 4 and less than 10, so it will be right child of minus 4. Next 60 is greater than 30, so it will be right child of 30. Then 19 is less than 20, so it will be left child of 20. Now we need to find how many edges are in between path from 19 to root node, that is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 edges in the path from 19 till root node. Hence answer will be 4. In case of binary search tree, left child value is less than parent value and right child value is greater than parent value. And we always start binary search tree from the first node. I already discussed binary search tree, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.